Hello, Jai Hind everyone. I'm Apurva and I got recommended from 19 SSB Allahabad, that too in my first attempt. Beginning with my journey, talking about the family background that I come from. I come from an engineering family background with two of my paternal uncles who have served in the army. That acted as an inspiration for me to aspire to get into the armed forces. And definitely residing in Dehradun, that proudly hosts the Indian Military Academy, has contributed another layer to this aspiration. So I fortunately happened to clear the written and the SSB part both in the very first attempt, right in the very first go. All I will say is that consistency is what matters the most. Definitely a due share of luck if this is your first attempt, and nothing can beat the hard work in this journey. Talking about the written part, that is all that is required is to be consistent in your efforts. Segregate your sources well, revise them umpteen times, and make sure that you're very thorough with the syllabus of the serious exam or whatever exam that you're preparing for the defense forces. Also, these 14 days at Centurion provided me with an unparalleled guidance and mentorship of the best faculty, and the Run Niti book that was provided by the institute proved to be of immense use throughout the preparation. With all the content that is providing you with the minute details of all the stages of the SSB part, providing with the case studies of the individuals who have managed to clear the exam, and there is a lot to learn from those journeys. Thank you.